Ever wonder how Makey Makey was created? We're celebrating our Bananaversary by interviewing Jay Silver and Eric Rosenbaum to learn more about them and the process of invention.
Well,
Shenanigans.
one thing that led to Makey Makey was called the Scratch Sensor Board that let you um, connect physical objects to the Scratch programming environment that we were working on. And it had alligator clips on it, and it could measure the resistance of things. And so we made like a little piano out of pieces of cantaloupe and connected to plants and people and water. But it had like a limited range of resistance that it could measure.
Yeah, that was influential because Makey Makey has a technical pattern, and that Scratch, which is now known as the Pico board, was known as the Scratch board. That like gave the technical pattern, but there was also like a number of spiritual currents that were energetic behind Makey Makey. One of which was like urban exploration and trying to see the city as something that was reformable. And so there were a bunch of little things that were made during that time. One was like a dumpster sensor, and that's why it was named Urban Harvester, because it was like we felt like we were farmers, we're urban farmers, right? So this is our little Urban Harvester's companion. And we also made like these like alarms that would allow you to inhabit an urban space, but tell you if somebody was encroaching on your urban space. And we would distribute them to squatters. And this was like another exploration of how do you reuse something, see it in a new light in the world around you. We don't talk about these a lot because these aren't like direct predecessors to Makey Makey in a kind of like the domino right before it kind of sense. But it was what was happening in the years, like the 3 or 4 or 5 years leading up to the release of Makey Makey. It's part of the milieu of what was happening. And there was this big like push for like, how can we re-see the stuff we're used to seeing? But there's more obvious predecessors like Dradio and like keyboard hacking that we were looking at.
I was going to suggest those two other things. Yeah.